Wetravel tutorial for beginners. Hello, hope you're doing good. I'm your host Jason. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to use Wetravel, a powerful platform designed for group travel organizers to manage bookings, collect payments, and streamline trip planning. Whether you're running a retreat, a guided tour, or a student trip, this tutorial will make it super easy for you to get started. The first thing you want to do is go onto wetravel.com. Then from there, you can tap on Try for Free. After selecting Try for Free, from there you can sign up using your email address and basic information. Once you're signed up, you'll be redirected to a dashboard just like this. Once on this dashboard, we can start creating our first booking page or trip. So you can tap right here where you see trip title, and you could type in the trip title. So I'm just going to be typing in test. Then you could type in the destination, and let's say the destination is Jamaica, so we could type in Jamaica right here. So let me do that real quick. And you can see different options. So I'll just type in Jamaica. And you can see the different options right there. After you have done that, you can see trip is offered, whether it is a one-time trip you're planning or it is recurring. You can select that right there. Then you can select when the trip will start, and you can select when it will end. So let's say, for example, it will end on the 23rd. So it will start on the 1st. Then we're going to select when it will end. So it will end on the 16th. Then you can scroll down, and from here you could upload different photos. So you can upload photos to make it look intriguing. Then you can scroll down, and you can also select the group size. So you can put it in right there. And if you would like to turn on the waiting list, you can do that, or you can turn off the waiting list. You can also choose whether you'd like to make it private or you'd like to make it public, as you can see right here. If you make it public, that means that the trip is indexed by search engines and shown on your profile. If you make it private, only you will be able to share the link with whom you'd want to see the trip details. After you have selected whichever one of those options, you can tap right here and you could write a short overview about the trip, and you can also add in custom paragraph information, as you can see right there. After doing that, what I want you to do next, you'll tap on next once more. Then from here, you'll be able to plan out the itinerary. So for instance, let's say you're having a trip for 3 days, you can plan out the itinerary for each day. So this is a sample itinerary, as you can see right here. The first thing you will do is upload a cover image. Then from there, you can put in the event for the first day. So this is a sample itinerary. You can add your own itinerary right there. Then you can select packages. And if you like to offer different packages, you can do that. So you can create different packages if you want. You can also add add-ons. And you can also see right here, you can require different information from the participants by tapping on participant info. Whether you like to collect their first, last name, email address, or you want to add another question, you can tap on add question right there. If you'd like to also require their e-signature, you could tap on e-signature. And if you have any other documents that you would like to upload that they would need to read or sign off on before, you can upload it. Then you could select settings. From here, you can edit, or better yet, add a welcome message that persons will see. If you're offering discount codes, you can also do that. Then you'll tap on preview to see how it looks. So this is how it looks at the moment. Now, after you have filled out all of that information, what I want you to do next is go over to the top right hand corner. And from there, you can hover over your initials. Once you have done that, I want you to tap right where you see payments. So you're going to tap on payments. After selecting payments, this is where you'll be able to connect different payment methods, and you'll also be able to receive payments, as you can see right there. So you could select USD and you'll see the USD that you have received, and then from there you'll be able to accept the USD. To set up the different payment options, all you'll need to do, you can tap on payout accounts. After tapping on payout account, you'll need to verify it yourself, so you can tap on start verification. Then from there, you could add your wire transfer account, or you can add your local account, which you'll be able to use to receive payments. And you can also monitor your customers by tapping on customers right there. From here, you can use their email marketing or SMS platform if you go onto their paid plan. You can also view past trips that you have created by selecting My Trips. You can see past trips or you can create new trips. Another thing that you can also do if you were to tap on Account, from selecting Account, you'll be able to add team members. So you could select team members from the left-hand column, then tap on Add Team Member and you could add a team member right there. You can also tap on Trust and Verification from the top left-hand corner. Then you could select your role or your team members could select your role and you could get your verification badge from this section. You can also edit the payment settings by tapping on Add Payment Method. You can add in different bank accounts as you can see right here that you like to receive payments in. You can also edit the notification settings. Now after selecting website widgets, you will be provided with 3 different options that you can quickly embed on your website. Whether you like to embed all of the trips on your external website by selecting that, you could copy the HTML code and do that. If you like to embed reviews, you can do that. You can also embed a contact form as you can see right here. And that's basically it when it comes onto Wetravel. It is a good platform if you are a travel agent or if you just want a quick and easy way to create an itinerary for you and your friends. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.